Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we're going to finish the dump pipe. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, for something different, it's raining. Anyways, we've got everything that we need to finish off the dump part. So we've got the 3-inch V-band and we've got the 202 bungs. So what we need to do is jack up the car a little bit more and we'll get the dump pipe out. Now I won't be doing that tonight. I'll be doing it tomorrow because I'm going to be making a lot of noise cutting pipes, but I'll run you through what I'll be doing. Alrighty, V-band. I'm going to put one straight onto the end of the dump pipe. So I'm going to be modifying my mid pipe. So I'm going to use this 3-inch here, straight cut, and then I'll go onto the other end, and then from that 3-inch, I'll give it a bit of space, yeah. Then I'll weld on this 2.5, which is a thick wall. So internal is 2.5, but the outside is pretty much 3-inch. So that should step it down to the stock size, if that makes sense. So that will allow me to upgrade the mid pipe by just chopping the 3-inch and welding the rest of it on. So just giving it enough room that we can weld another piece on in the future. So yeah. So what I'll do tonight is I'll just jack up the car and get it a little bit higher so we can get under there and do that. Alrighty guys, I am back. Car's been jacked up just under there with the verniers, measuring the outer diameter of the mid pipe. Now the mid pipe I have had the resonator cut out and the exhaust shop welded in. The OD of it is 2.5. So that should, if I cut a slit into it, it should slide into this one here. This external is 3-inch. I'll use that. It's more about just lining it up correctly. So it doesn't look like there's much of a bend at that join. Hopefully you guys can see under there with no light. Not really. Maybe. So you can see there, there's a join there. That whole section is from the exhaust shop. So yeah, probably chop like 10 centimeters, I reckon. 10 centimeters of that. Now it bends a little bit. But it can also move. Alright, we've got the dump off, and I'm gonna have to get the mid pipe off too. Well, I've been summoned inside. Apparently been out here for too long. Just jacked up the car, that's about it. So what I'm going to do is quickly do a couple of cuts. I'll do a length here, this has still got the angle, just in case, and do another one. And then with that one, I really just maybe like 5 centimeters. And then once everyone's in bed, I'll come back out and continue on, and most likely Be raining. Alright guys, finally back out here. So just clean up the inside on these. It's going to go on there like so. So I need to grind down this edge here. That's a nice smooth edge. Obviously it's going to have a little bit. But yeah, it's going to take a little bit of time. And we can get 3 inches, hey? We'll get that on there, that onto there, and then we'll get the mid pipe off, I guess. That's how long the step down will be. 10 centimeters or so. Alright guys, just welded the V-band onto the 3-inch for the adapter section. It's still freaking hot. Might run a bead along this edge. It's not a tight fit in there, which is very strange. Yeah, got a pretty decent weld there. Pretty happy with that. So flip it over. I won't run a bead, I'll just melt it in there. Alrighty, just welded the inside there. Not the best, but you know. I guess I'm gonna take off the dump up now. Actually, I need to mark. It's cold out here. I need a marker. I'm going to put the O2 bungs. I think I've already done the top one. Just need to get underneath and mark roughly around the original spot. So after the flex joint. Whew, I've had this out for a while. Right, so I've got mark for the air-fuel ratio bung. O2 bung there. And O2 bung here. And weld on the other V-band. Alright guys, we've got both bungs on now. I really should have done this one first and that one, because this area is still pretty damn hot, and I need to get the V-band on there. So might have to chill out for a little bit. While I'm letting that cool down, I might get the mid pipe off. Alrighty, so here is my mid pipe. Just straight pipe. So I've just got the V-band sitting there. So this edge here of the actual pipe was fitting. Well, you can see where it was fitting, where it's shiny. So basically what I want to do is get these two, measure the length of that, measure the difference in that, and pretty much guess where it's going to go. There is a little bit of a bend there, but also in that little mandrel bent bit in that section, that actually might be where they've sleeved it to get it over this section. But the main thing is I want to see if I can slip that over this pipe. So I need to chop it. Alright, so I just quickly measured the length of that plus the difference in that section just there. It came to just under 12 centimeters, so 11.8. So I measured that from the inside there because It's actually quite thin. You can see it was sitting in there. 11/8, 12 centimeters. Marked it. I'll chop it about a centimeter short, and hopefully it works. If not, I'll just have to weld it straight on and not slip it over. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't change too much in angle. It'll be alright. It's official, guys. The dump part is finally finished with all the welds. That took a while. So that's all on good. All the bungs are on. All we need to do is scuff it up and give it a paint. Let that dry and probably wrap it to about here. And then we should be good. But we need to work on the little adapter. The little adapter here for the mid pipe. So I'm going to put you guys on charge because you're getting flat. And we'll tack these or weld these together. And chop that and have to fit it all again. The test fits and stuff. Okay, so I welded this together. Cleaned that up, or cut that off, cleaned it up. Before I did weld that, I managed to get that onto that with the hammer, so it's nice and tight, but it does slip over it, which is great. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this back in. We're going to put the dump back in and attach that to the dump and slide it over and tack it in, and then obviously take the clamp off it and then fully weld it. Then we should be done. Alrighty guys, last weld that I need to do tonight. It's 2212. So yeah, I just fit it up underneath, put the V-band on, it's seated, and yeah, I tacked it underneath here, got it off, and I welded it up. And there we have it guys, all done for tonight and this episode. If you like this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.